Hey friends, if you encounter the TWINUI error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. I will stick to the working solutions only. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Then select default apps in the right pane. Now scroll down to the absolute bottom and you'll find something called as reset all default apps. Click on reset, click on OK, and it will fix the problem in 95% of the cases. But if it doesn't, then I will give you a PowerShell command for this. Okay, so I will mention it in the description section of the video. Okay, all you need to do is search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, and in the right pane click on run as administrator to open the elevated PowerShell window. Now paste the command here and hit enter. This will fix your problem 100%. Was this helpful? If yes, then please let us know in the description section of the video, and if not, then let us know as well so that we could investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.